Sup amigos, hope you all keeping well. Let's talk about hair. A lot of you guys have been asking me a lot of questions about my hair as of lately. Questions like, what do I use to style my hair? What's my daily hair care routine? Some of you guys are struggling with dandruff. What sort of treatments do I recommend? Others, how many times shall I wash my hair? Endless questions. Even though a lot of this information is out there online and a lot of you guys can research, scalp treatment, whatever questions you have, you type and there's a lot of information out there. And I appreciate it can be very overwhelming, sometimes contradictory and confusing. So I appreciate you guys ask me my personal routine, which it's humbling and it's nice. So I'm gonna share it, and it's a very, very simple routine. You guys probably gonna be very surprised, but it's been working for me, especially for the past year and a half since I've been growing my hair. I appreciate a lot of us are very different, different types of hair, and a lot of guys produce more oil than natural oils than others. So a couple of things that I'm gonna answer before I even share my routine is, guys with oily hair, this routine won't work for you because experts suggest that you guys wash your hair daily. My routine, I don't wash my hair daily. And guys that work in environments that produce a lot of dirt, and guys that exercise and sweat a lot, this is not for you because you guys need to wash your hair daily according to experts. So here we go. My routine is very simple. Starts with shampoo, conditioner. I wash my hair between 2 to 3 times a week. I feel my hair doesn't need to be washed more times than that, but only because there's something that I do in between washes. And before you guys ask in the comments what shampoo and conditioner do I use Beardbrand shampoo and conditioner. Any of the fragrances, they all work for me. If I exercise more or whatever, if I play soccer and I did sweat a lot, or if I've been in a dirty environment, all those factors, it depends. But definitely I try to wash it twice, sometimes 3, because of those other things that I do. In between washes, this is the most important, not most important part, but very important part of my routine. It keeps my hair looking healthy and feeling healthy and healthier. For better description. In between washes, I use styling balm. So this is the product that's gonna nourish my hair. I feel like my hair dries faster than some other people, for example my wife. And I say that because I wash and condition my hair the next day, and my hair is fine when I wash and condition it. I put my fingers through it, it's all good. I comb my hair or brush it, there's no problem, there's nothing tangled. But the next day, after a good night's sleep, I run my hair and through my hair, and there's a little bit of tangle. There's, it doesn't run as smooth, so it feels drier, especially around the back, not so much around the ear. So that's why I also use that. And the way I use it is, I don't use a lot. A little bit like that is plenty for most of my hair. And what I do, I just melt it really good on my hands, and then from middle shaft of the hair, I run it, like make sure it is in between my fingers, and I run it like that. I flip my hair down and just run mid shaft to the ends, mid shaft to the ends. You don't really want to have it on your scalp, even though after you've done that, some of it's just going to get on your scalp, but it avoids that amount of product buildup that doesn't let your hair breathe properly. All you want to nourish is really from mid shaft to the ends. That seems to work really good for me in maintaining healthier and non-greasy hair or dry hair. So hence why don't use too much. If you kind of want to have wet look, you can use a little bit more and go for it. If your hair is way shorter than mine, definitely just use a tiny bit and just put it before you apply any other product. And that is probably the most important part of my care routine. Now, in terms of styling, for example, today I've got nothing apart from the utility balm. I've washed my hair yesterday, so today I've put a little bit of balm, kind of gives it that wet-ish look. But to style, if I am to put another product on my hair, like a styling balm, for example, if I wanted to go for a style like the John Wick video that I did, I'm gonna need some styling balm. So I'm gonna need something that holds, and if it's in between washes, I still gonna put, my first product will be utility balm on my hair. Sports. If I wanna use a sea salt spray, which is something that actually sucks your natural oils, before I apply the sea salt spray, I will use a tiny bit of utility balm, again if it's in between washes. If I just wash and condition my hair, then I don't need to. I just go straight apply the styling product, either styling balm or sea salt spray. So we all different, appreciate that, but this is my routine and I hope you guys enjoy it, and it's very simple. And yeah, stay cool.
Hey, I'm Mark. I think that Beardbrand products and the Beardbrand mission, they've really helped me kind of wear my beard and present it to the world in a way that, honestly, for the first time in my life, like, kind of makes me feel kind of handsome. You know, sometimes. But anyway, thanks guys.